how we are going to make our own design from custom background. Means we have our own custom background. We will see here how we are going to make it here, and it will be very easy for us how we are going to make our design. So this is the system, this is the custom dashboard which you are able to see on your screen. So simply click on create design in the top right section of the page of the Canva page. Simply you need to click on this create a design, and whenever you click on design, create a design, it will show you, it will ask you what size you want to draw. If you want to make a poster, presentation, Instagram post, so everywhere you can see whichever design you want to click. It will be easy for us, easy for you to just for the size. So you can create a flyer, you can create an invitation, desktop wallpaper, video, Zoom virtual background, Instagram story. So it totally depends on you what you are going to design. So I will simply use here as a Facebook post or Facebook story, any single design I will choose here. Rest you can try yourself as an assignment, so that you are more aware of the content and the menus and the system how we will be designing here. So we can see here, I will just simply here search for the Facebook, and I will click on design, create a design, and after that I will write here Facebook. So it will show me all the available options which it has. So it is showing Facebook ad app. Now here you can see the size 810 into 450, 1200 into 628. So you can just simply, Facebook cover is around 1640 into 924. Facebook event cover 1920 into 1080. Facebook post is around, it's almost a square, so it is showing 940 into 788. Facebook shopping shop ads showing 1200 into 628. So here are basically different sizes, so you don't need to worry about the size. Simply choose what you want. So here I am going to choose Facebook post. Simply I clicked on the Facebook post. It has opened me a untitled new page where I can design the content. So this is the basically a simple design we can see here. I will just show you here. So this is the basically design here I can see. So this is the white background page. If you want to change the background color, simply click on this one section, color section, click on any color, it will change accordingly. If you want some more better color, you can click on this new color and you can create your own color as per your requirement. It is totally dependent on you what you want to do here. So symbol, I have done the background as a gray color. If I want to use my own picture, or if I want to use my own logo, how should I use here? Simply you can go on the upload. In the left side you will see upload button here. Click on upload and choose your file, choose your image, choose your upload media, and choose from your device, Facebook page, Google Drive, Instagram, or Dropbox. Whatever options you have, from there you can choose your image. I will simply click on choose device and go to my system and browser. I will search for the image which I want to upload here, and I will click on open. It will come in this section. So I already have my design uploaded here, so I will use the same concept here. This is the logo which I'm going to use. Simply I will click here. It will show in the right of the box frame, a square box frame. If I want to resize it, simply click the corner and move inward. Once you are moving inward, it is going smaller. If you are going outward, the size will increase automatically. So I will just make it inward, and the background is a dark color and the logo name is already dark, so it won't be visible very clearly. So I will change the background color now. Simply click on the background tab, this section, and click on the color section, and you can just put lighter colors so that the logo is clearly visible. So in this way we can change the color of the background. It's very easy and very fast to do. And I will just choose here. If you want to make some section, if you want to draw a layer here, so that you can divide this section in 3 or 4 parts, we can make a layer, or we can use here element. Here it is called element section is here. So why we are going to use, if you want to, suppose if you are going to make here one square with a different color, here I want to make one square with a different color, or circle, here I want to make a circle, or if I want to make here a circle and I want to put my logo in the circle, I can do it here very easily. So I will click on element section in the left side of the menu in the Canva dashboard, and I will look for the shapes here. So shapes I am going to use a circle. Like simply click on this circle option. One circle will come this side. This circle you can drag as per your requirement. Simply click on the corner while making a good design. So this was the whole circle, but I will use the quarter part of the circle to make a good design. and this color I can change according to my logo if I want. I will just simply click the logo color, and I will choose the logo color here. Again, I will choose another circle, and I will choose in the other side. So now you will see the designs are getting more attractive. Slowly and steady it will get more attractive. So I am just creating the corners of the whole template, whole the post here. So I am just making a smaller circle, quarter part I have taken here. If I want to make this part enter here also a circle, so I can just simply click on a square or the circle, whatever I want. I have selected square here. And if I want to change the logo of the color of the background section, I can simply click on the color part and change the color, whatever color we want. If you want to make it some different color, put your logo inside like this. Now the logo has gone behind this section, behind this square box. If you want to bring the logo upward, so what we have to do, simply I have to click here and make it send backward. Once I click on backward, the section, this section, the square section has gone back of the logo. If you want to change the color of logo, color of this back section again, so simply click on here. So here you can just change the color, blue color, whatever color you want. It totally depends on us how we want to make the color visible. So I have taken here yellow color. So I must make it a smaller so that logo will fit easily inside these things. And if I want to make this more smaller, I can just simply click here and drag it to this part. So now this is looking something different. Now it was earlier a plain color, now it is looking multicolor. So when you are going to design any graphics here, please make sure you don't use more than 2 to 3 colors. You just simply follow the protocol. What colors has been used in your logo, simply use those colors only in the designing part. It will be more professional and more attractive. So you have to just look after your logo color, or you just think about theme, template, what you are going to use here. So we can see here, we can see many things here. Now if we want to add some design, we can do here as well. So we will see here, we will draw lines. If you want to make some lines or design attractive lines here, simply click on the line section. You can see here multiple lines are showing here. We can use as per need. If you want to make an arrow, or if you want to make an arc, simply click on the arc, it will come this section. If you want to rotate the upward to downward, there is one option this side, simply click on. If you want to invert it, means the curve you want in the upper way, simply click and move towards in the diagonally. If you move towards clockwise, it will convert. You can move anti-clockwise also. So clockwise means as the clock moves in the right directions, you can simply click on move here. So now the curve has come like this. So if you want to make it curve here, or if you want to make curve somewhere else, you can simply click on this curve part and you can draw or shift like this anyway. If you want to click on the, if you want to change the color, you have color options this side, simply click on that part. And logo, I am using the logo color, it's a yellow, background is already, or I can make it black as well. So it totally depends on me if where I want to use this. If I want to make this curve in the right section of this part, we can use it here as well. So it will be covering like this, it will just cover the and make a border. So you can see here, now it is looking more perfect, more good here. So we have given a border to the left, to the red color, which is in the right corner, top right corner. If you want to make, again, simply click on this same black color, make it copy and paste here. So the for copy I am using Control C, and for pasting I am using Control P. So you can simply click and paste here. Now I want to shift in this section, so I will just click here again and click clockwise and make it accordingly with the circle, bring near to the red one, and I will fit it here. So the corner is going very attractive here, and corner is going coming through. So again, I can simply paste here again. The one more circle has come this side. Simply click here, rotate it clockwise again. Now I will simply click and drag to the bottom left circle part and fix it with the background, so it looks fixed here. If the size is coming, it's not matching here, simply we can increase the size to match it. Now you can see here, now it's looking good. So if you want to change something, if you want to insert anything else, you can just simply click on the post, and you can see simply click on any element in the left side. If you want to design it something like this, it's free, click here, it's coming here, free sections, it's in the golden part. If you want to change it, if you want to make this in more smaller and put this section in this one, if you want to put the section in this one, you can make it more here, so it will look very attractive. It is coming outside, so if you can just simply click here and make it this side, simply right side upgrade to this side section, Right click in this and send to back, send to backward, simply click and change what it is showing here. Send to backward means if we are clicking here on the inner section of the part, when we have clicked in the inner section of the part, so it will just go behind this black box. Again I am doing again here, simply I've clicked on this section. If I want to put this section in the yellow part, and if I make it a smaller, so it will go inside that. Now it is looking good, it's showing in the section only. So it is also easier for us to make any design here. If you want, right, if you want to upload your own image, you have, as I've shown you here as a logo, so you can upload here. So you can simply click on up photos, and you will see more photos are predefined, pre-given by the Canva. You can use these photos as well if you want to use in this. So it's simply this girl, yoga girl, I think yoga she's doing her gymnastic or yoga, the fruit salad or something. Sorry, it's an, I think, egg here. So you can simply use this image as well. So when you click on the part, it comes here. Now this is the half cut egg here, half boiled or half cut egg. So we can use here. So if we fix like this, it shows like a square box. So if you want to make it more attractive, how we will do? Simply remove this image by clicking. Sorry, the background has gone here. So I'll simply click this image by selecting the image part and click on delete. The image will be deleted, removed from here. I will go and click on element again. You need to go on elements and click on the element again and choose the frame. Look for the frames. Simply cross this line from this section. Look for the frames here. So we have to look for the frame. This is the frame part. Frame means it is a photo frame. The image, whatever image you are going to drag in this frame, it will not show outside this cover line, outline line. Means it is a circle one, so image will show in the circle only. I have simply clicked on the frame. Frame has came in the center of the page. We can shift to any size wherever we want to put it. I'm just skipping it here, and I will go to photo again and use this section, or use this girl which she is doing yoga. Simply click here. Now this girl is here. Click on the frame part, and you can see the frame. She has gone inside the frame. So it was very easy for making to fit her in the frame. So the obviously size of the girl was bigger. We can see here the hand is going upside, so you can choose accordingly how you are going to choose this part here. So you can just simply click on the image part. You can see and try to drag if she can, if the image can go more smaller, but here the image can't go smaller because it is the minimum size which Canva has given here. So you can't, you have just simply you have to drag the images as per your requirement. This is the only options we can do here. So I have selected this image like this, and it is now showing inside the frame. I'll click outside. Now it is coming, the hand is coming inside the frame. So this is the one of the easiest option to fit any image in the frame, and you can drag the frame anywhere, wherever you want to draw. So it totally depends on you how you are going to draw the frame and drawing the image. So now if you want to add something, music part, if you want to make a video here, you can click on the music as well. So we will learn about the video part in the next lesson, how we can make something like a video thing which we can use in our social media for animation. So in the social media for the promotions to anyone, to any social media account. So we can use this also. So once the design is done, so I'm not going to give you the more information about this, how to design more, because it's a totally imagine. It depends on the imagination, how we are going to imagine. If you imagine more, you will get a more good design. So it's totally on you how fast, how best you are going to design. So your mind should work like a creative. You have to work like a creative art. So you have to design the whole image in your mind, and you have to design here on the screen. And the best you think, the best you can design. So it's very easy. Now you are already aware of the tools, how we have done this. So if you want to download this image, how we can do this? Simply here is one download option in the top right of the section, download button you can see here. Simply click on this. You will see a lot of file type. So PNG is the high quality. You can use the high quality image here. You can download JPG, PDF as well. So I will just simply click on PNG high quality, and here you can see download. Simply click on download, and after clicking on download, the file will be downloaded to your system, and you can use it anywhere, whether it is social media or any group, or wherever you want. So I will just write here a name, sample image in Canva, so that you are aware how we are going to design our sample image here. I have selected and saved on my desktop, and I can see here sample image has came here. So I can simply I will click on this part, and you can see here the sample image is exactly same that we have done on the Canva, and it has been downloaded our system. So like this you can download any image. So this image is very is a good quality. It won't be blurred if you expand the size. So you can see here it's not getting blurred more. So this image can be used anywhere, wherever you want to use. So in this way we have designed our own graphics for the social media, and it totally depends on you how much attractive you want to design. So think more, make at least 50 to 60 designs from Canva. Simple design to expert design, expert mode from simple art to expert design, and make it more attractive. As long as you keep on practicing, your design becomes more familiar, more attractive, and more good to sell in the market. So this Canva, the image which we are going to design in this Canva, this is very much helpful for your social media, because whenever you will design or whenever you will make ad in social media account, you have to use the designing part. So designing, once you have designed the good attractive or good images for you, it will be used in your Facebook, or it will be used in the Google, or it will be used in the YouTube. On every channel, on every platform of social media, you will be using the same post if you want to use. So only the size varies. Size has to be designed according to the social media that we are going to publish. Thanks for watching my this video. In the next lesson we will learn how to make